Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your English class. I hope you all are doing great. And today we are going to continue with the chapter tenses. So in the previous classes, we have already discussed about different tenses and its forms, and we especially discussed more about present tense. So in this class, we will be doing the remaining tenses. So we have already learned that there are 4 different forms for each tense, which begins from simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So now let's continue with simple past. The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. Imagine someone asks what your brother Ravi did while he was in town last weekend. You may answer, Ravi entered in a contest and won the silver medal. Thus, you are talking about something that has already happened. Thus, the simple past tense shows that you are talking about something that has already happened, and it emphasizes that the action is finished. You can also use the simple past to talk about a past state of being, such as the way someone felt about something. For example, you can say that Ravi was proud of his victory, or the contest was the highlight of his week. Thus, the format to frame a sentence in simple past is subject plus second form of the verb. Here are 2 examples. The first one, I saw a movie yesterday. Here, I is the subject and so is the second form of the verb. Now let's move on to the next form, that is past continuous. The past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense, it refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. The past continuous tense is formed by combining the past tense of to be with the verb's present participle, that is ing form. There are many situations in which this verb tense might be used in a sentence. For example, it is often used to describe conditions that existed in the past. For example, the sun was shining every day that summer. Here, this action, it happened in the past, but at that time it was a continuous process. Another example, as I spoke, the children were laughing at my cleverness. Again, the action that happened in the past, but at that time it was a continuing process. It can also be used to describe something that was happening continuously in the past when another action interrupted it. For example, the audience was applauding until he fell off the stage. Here you can see how the action of applauding was interrupted by the second one, that is, falling off the person. Another example, I was making dinner when she arrived. Here you can see the action of making dinner was interrupted by the arrival of that person.